Morning, dear students. Today we will discuss the topic apply fill color patterns and gradients to the cell in Excel. Adding pattern and color to cells. If we want to fill color in a cell, we can do it by clicking on the arrow next to the fill color button in the font group on the home tab, and when we select the color, it is applied on the selected cells. The another method to add color to the cells is right click and then click on the format cells option. A window will open. From that window, choose the fill tab. Now click to display a list of pattern colors or pattern styles, or even we can select the fill colors. When we select the fill color or pattern style or pattern color according to our requirement, and then we press OK button, that particular pattern or color is applied on the selected cell. Which we are going to discuss is autofill. We often have to fill a series of numbers, months or weekdays in a worksheet. So, Microsoft Excel has a feature called autofill which quickly complete a series of data. For example, if I have written Sunday in my cell, I take my cursor to the corner of that particular cell and drag it. It automatically fills the cell with the series of the names of the days, that is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday accordingly. The series is completed with the abbreviations also. For example, when Jan is used instead of January, the series is completed with Jan, Feb, March, April accordingly. It not only work with the textual method, also with the numeric values. If I want to fill the series with the number, for example 1, and I want that 1 should continuously typed in all the adjacent cells, what I will do, I will type 1 and then bring my cursor to the corner of the cell, and it will change into black square which is known as fill handle, and when I drag it, then all the cells are filled with 1 number. Similarly, if I want to go for the series like 1, 2, 3, 4, what I will go for? I will type 1 in one cell, 2 in second cell, and then again I will drag with fill handle, and it will fill the series with one difference like 1, 2, 3, 4. In the similar way, I can go with different series, like if I type 2, 4 and drag, then the series will be filled like 2, 4, 6, 8 accordingly. Now I hope that this autofill series topic is clear to you. Now, if you want to create your own list of data that works with autofill, then again there is an option in Microsoft Excel to create your own list of data that works with autofill function, that is a custom fill series. The steps to go for that: click on the file tab and go to the options. Then select the advanced option and on right pane scroll and click on edit custom list. Then custom list dialog box will be opened. Now you can click on the list entry box. Type the items in your list and press the enter key after each item. Click on the add button when you have completed the list. The list you have typed appears in the custom list box. Click on the OK button. Now, if you enter an item from your list into a cell in the worksheet and drag the fill handle cursor, you will find that the rest of your list fills in. beta, so we have discussed two topics, that is autofill and custom list of our chapter number 1. I hope that these two topics are clear to you. But still, if you have any doubt, you can message me on my personal number. Okay, beta. And if possible, try to do these steps practically at home. Okay. Have a great day.